All right, what's going on? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We're at the flea market, of course. We're not gonna be here for too long because we have a little sale we're doing at the warehouse. So we're only gonna be here for about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, but about 30 minutes. So let's see what we can find.
Quote should be in this.
We take 5 for it?
No, 10.
All right.
I gotta walk back to that.
I'll be back around.
Yeah, if you come back later, it's still there. You can have for 5, but right now.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's still hella early. Yeah. I get it. My dad bought this for $1. He just gave it to me for $1. He said it sells quick, so I guess let's see what it sells for. I know we need ink ourselves. I thought that's why he got it, but he messaged me. He was like, dang, these sell fast. So I was like, and we paid $1. Sorry, guys. This is pretty cool. I think it sells for $10, $10.99. All right, $10.99, $10. That's pretty cool. Paid $1 for it. Thanks, Pirate. Thanks, Dad. Right. I've never been too interested in the places that have everything like marked, like the price. Like that means they know what they're selling. They must have taken the time to put a sticker on every item, so they have to know something, right? All right, as I said earlier, unfortunately, we're not gonna be walking this market for too much longer, maybe another 15 minutes, because we are doing our own sale. We're doing our garage sale / warehouse sale in front of our warehouse, so we can get some things done. We're gonna sell at the warehouse, like a garage sale. I think my dad's gonna go live and do a sale that way, you know, and maybe listing eBay ads too. Like, we're going all out. We're going all out, y'all. I need one of these. The box is messed up. Okay, we spent $3. We paid $1 for each of these games. Unfortunately, this one is a bit beat up, but I still got it, you know. It's good to still have the game for my guitar, because I know I need this one for my guitar. I have an Xbox 360 game that needs this one. And I know either one of my guitars takes either or of these games. You know, I paid $1 for it, so I know I can at least resell it if it's not for my guitar, the other one, or I'll just keep it for if I get another one, because it increases the value of each of these Guitar Hero guitars you buy. I'll pay $1 for the Guitar Hero guitar sometimes, literally, and I'll pay $1 for this. That's $2 for the whole thing. Sometimes I'll pay $5. Last time I bought 3 guitars for $20, which is a bit more than I pay normally, but those guitars were kind of higher quality. These are cool. I mean, I don't know how much they'll be worth though. I don't think too much. This guy must be knowing what he's selling. Like $16. It's cool to know the prices and stuff, at least, you know, if I know I'm not gonna ask for it. Hot Wheels. I don't know too much about Hot Wheels, unfortunately. My dad probably knows some. I know it says like different things about, like, I remember I saw a first edition car actually last time I was looking through it. Looking through some Hot Wheels.
What's the price? Give me $10 a dollar.
All right. He was having a hard time. He's just trying to run. How much you like this one?
El de Minecraft.
Oh, $8. Give me 5 for this.
Do you have any, do you know if you have any Guitar Hero games? Any of these type of games?
Aquí no hay.
No tenemos ni uno.
Aquí no. Solo eso.
For the Xbox?
Any system really, just any sort of Guitar Hero game. Oh, all right. How much for this? much this one?
$5.
You can take 3 on it? Take 3?
Que tú tomas tres.
You take 3?
$4.
Alright, I'll do it.
¿Por todo? ¿Por todo?
No, solo los otros ya los traía ahí.
No, just this one. Do you have change for a 20? All I have is a 20. Good change. I bought the PS3 Guitar Hero game. I'm not exactly sure if I even have one. I know I'll probably get one in the future. I may have a PS2 one, but for future, we'll have one now, just in case you get a PS3 guitar that takes this game. If not, I can, well, I like buying these sometimes, because even if let's say I never buy the guitar for it, I could still resell it for like 10. This will probably sell for 10 bucks online, right? Hopefully we'll find the guitar, which is what I'm looking for. All right, I'm back. Thank you.
Yep.
Wait,
You got 2
I
ones?
think I follow you on TikTok.
Really?
Yeah.
Sweet. It's Stixx Picks?
Yes, I follow you.
Really?
I swear to God. I'll go
Thank
to
you.
my phone and show you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You got 2 ones?
That's cool.
There's no.
How'd you notice it?
No, because I seen his GoPro and I was like, what?
That's funny. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You gonna try to make millions on there?
I hope
be
so.
nice, huh?
TikTok doesn't pay much, but it's good to build a following on there.
Oh, shit.
That's the second time I ever got noticed for social media. The other day I was walking down the street and I guess they noticed me. He's like, Stixx Picks, what's up, man? We bought another one. I think we bought this one exactly. Paid $3 for this. What you paid? 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 bucks. We paid 10 bucks for these 5 Guitar Hero games. Pretty cool. Good morning. How much are you asking on this Lego set? All right. You got any Pokemon cards today? Nah. All right, all good. How much on this Nintendo game? This Game Boy.
That one, 45.
45. Probably about full price. All right. How much for like the whole stack of cards?
I'll do 45.
I think you should just set them on the table or should I get them back to you?
No, it's fine. You could, yeah.
Right. What's the best to go on it? You have 15?
Nice, man.
This one is the best.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, we got unlucky from the Pokemon pack. Pretty much just wasted $5. It's just crumpling right now. Frick that. That was weird though. It literally didn't even give me a holo, but it gave me the good pull card. It's whatever. We're out of here, guys. We're out of the flea market. Time to go home. Time to go to the warehouse actually and do a warehouse sale. All right, guys, we're back at the warehouse. We're done picking. We got some good picks for the day. We made our money back for sure. Definitely made some money, but we're doing another warehouse sale just like last week. We're doing like most of the same stuff, honestly. We got this Hoosier cabinet. Got some Christmas stuff, like always, of course. 1.5 million Christmas boxes. This thing I thought was kind of cool though. We got a Jack Daniels football. This thing is literally just a massive plastic football. Pretty cool. Got some stuff like this. Look at it. It's just like something, a little drink container you put, like a 7-Eleven or something. Some cool stuff. Look at that's a solid wood head. We just got that from our newest storage unit. That thing was heavy. Some sign, a fireball sign.